Imagine a world where farmers can predict the exact amount of rainfall their crops will receive, or identify pests before they even appear. Welcome to the future of agriculture, powered by artificial intelligence. The concept of AI, a revolutionary technology that enables machines to mimic human intelligence, is now making its mark in the agricultural sector. Agriculture, an industry that feeds the world, is facing mounting challenges. The global food demand is skyrocketing, and the impact of climate change on crop production is becoming increasingly severe. It's clear that we need to innovate, and AI is stepping up to the plate. By integrating AI into farming, we're enabling smarter decision-making, improving productivity, and reducing environmental impact. This isn't just about a technological upgrade, it's about reshaping an age-old industry to meet the needs of our changing world. As we step into this new era, we begin to see the immense potential AI holds for transforming the agriculture industry. Farming is no longer just about soil, water, and hard work. It's about data, analysis, and intelligent decision-making. Imagine a world where technology and agriculture intertwine, creating a harmonious blend of smart farming techniques that revolutionize the way we grow our food. This is not a far-off fantasy. It's happening right now, right here, thanks to the marvels of artificial intelligence. One of the pivotal ways AI is reshaping agriculture is through soil and crop monitoring. Advanced sensors and drones collect data on soil composition, moisture levels, and crop health. This data is then analyzed using AI algorithms, providing real-time insights that help farmers optimize their cultivation practices. It's like giving the soil and crops a voice, whispering the secrets of their well-being. But the magic of AI in agriculture doesn't stop here. Predictive analytics, another smart farming technique, uses historical weather data and machine learning to forecast future weather conditions. This information is pivotal in determining the best times for planting, watering, and harvesting, thus ensuring maximum yield and reducing crop losses due to adverse weather conditions. And let's not forget about automated irrigation systems. These are not your average sprinklers. They're sophisticated systems that use AI to determine just the right amount of water needed for each crop, at each stage of its growth. By efficiently managing water resources, these systems not only save precious H2O, but also contribute to producing healthier crops. So what's the takeaway here? It's simple. By leveraging AI, we're transforming traditional farming into smart farming. We're turning data into actionable insights, uncertainty into predictability, and inefficiency into productivity. But this transformation isn't just about improving farming practices or increasing yields. It's much bigger than that. It's about addressing the pressing challenge of sustainable food production, ensuring that we can feed a rapidly growing global population without depleting our planet's resources. With these smart farming techniques, farmers are not just growing crops, they're cultivating a more sustainable future. Disease and pest infestations can spell disaster for a farm, but what if we could catch these threats before they cause damage? Welcome to the world of AI-driven crop monitoring, a game changer in the fight against crop diseases and pests. This technology uses artificial intelligence to analyze data and detect potential threats, allowing farmers to take action before it's too late. So, how does this work? Imagine drones equipped with high-resolution cameras buzzing over vast fields. These drones are not just taking a leisurely flight, they're on a mission. Their cameras capture detailed images of the crops below, scanning for signs of disease or pest infestation. These images are then analyzed by AI software that's been trained to recognize the early signs of trouble. The software can detect subtle changes in the color of the leaves, unusual patterns in the growth of the crops, or signs of pest activity that would be invisible to the human eye. But AI-driven crop monitoring doesn't stop at detection. Once a potential issue is identified, the system can alert farmers in real time, providing them with the exact location of the problem. This means farmers can respond quickly, targeting the affected areas without wasting resources on healthy crops. The beauty of AI in crop monitoring lies in its precision and speed. Whereas traditional methods of crop monitoring could take days or even weeks, AI can analyze vast amounts of data in a matter of hours. This speed is crucial when dealing with diseases or pests, where every hour can make the difference between a healthy harvest and a total loss. Moreover, AI-driven crop monitoring is not just reactive, it's also predictive. By analyzing historical data and weather patterns, the AI can predict future outbreaks, allowing farmers to take preventative measures and stay one step ahead of potential threats. This technology is transforming the way we farm, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. It's not just about producing more food, it's about producing better food, and doing so in a way that respects our planet and its resources. Thanks to AI-driven crop monitoring, farmers can now sleep a bit easier, knowing their crops are under vigilant protection. Precision is key in agriculture. The right amount of water, the right amount of fertilizer, at the right time can make all the difference. Enter the world of precision agriculture, where artificial intelligence is the maestro, orchestrating a symphony of data-driven decisions to maximize crop yields while conserving resources and promoting sustainability. It's a game-changing approach, marrying technology with farming, and the results are nothing short of revolutionary. So, how exactly does AI fit into the precision agriculture picture? Well, imagine a farmer's field as a chessboard. Each square represents a different set of soil conditions, crop varieties, and weather patterns. It's AI's job to analyze these variables, make sense of them, and guide the farmer in making the most informed decisions. AI-powered systems can precisely determine the amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides needed for each specific section of the field. This means less waste, more efficiency, and healthier crops. Suddenly, farming becomes less about guesswork and more about calculated decisions that respect both the land and the farmer's bottom line. But precision agriculture doesn't stop there. It goes beyond mere input management. AI is also used to predict crop yields. By analyzing vast amounts of data, including historical weather patterns, soil conditions, and plant health, AI can forecast crop outcomes with impressive accuracy. This enables farmers to plan ahead, manage their resources effectively, and ensure a steady supply of food. Moreover, precision agriculture is not just about the here and now. It's about the future, too. By reducing waste and optimizing resources, we're making a significant stride towards sustainable farming. We're ensuring that our food production systems can meet the demands of a growing population without depleting the Earth's resources. In this way, precision agriculture is an embodiment of the saying, "Work smarter, not harder." It's about harnessing the power of AI to make farming more efficient, more sustainable, and more resilient. Precision agriculture is not just about maximizing yield. It's about optimizing resources and promoting sustainability. So let's embrace the future of farming, where every decision is informed, every resource is valued, and every crop is a testament to the power of AI. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. AI is here to stay, and its role in agriculture is only set to grow. The potential for AI in this industry is staggering. Picture this: farms operating with autonomous equipment, where tractors and drones work seamlessly together, guided by AI to perform tasks like seeding, harvesting, and pest control. This isn't just a dream, it's an impending reality. AI will also play a key role in advanced genetic research. By using machine learning algorithms, scientists can analyze vast amounts of genetic data to develop crops that are more resistant to diseases, pests, and extreme weather conditions. This could lead to higher crop yields and more efficient use of resources, ensuring a more sustainable and secure food supply. But the future of AI in agriculture isn't just about technology. It's about addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. Food security is a major concern, with the global population expected to reach nearly 10 billion by the middle of the century. AI can help meet this demand by improving crop yields and reducing waste. And then there's climate change, arguably the greatest challenge of our time. Agriculture is both a victim and a contributor to climate change, but AI can help on both fronts. AI can guide farmers in adopting more sustainable practices, reducing the sector's environmental impact. It can also help farmers adapt to changing conditions, whether it's shifting weather patterns or new pests and diseases. As we move forward, it's crucial that farmers and tech companies work together to realize the potential of AI in agriculture. After all, technology is only as good as the people who use it, and farmers understand their land and their crops better than anyone. So, what does the future hold? Well, it's a future where AI is deeply integrated into every aspect of farming, from planting to harvesting, from research to market. It's a future where AI helps us feed the world in a more sustainable way. In the hands of farmers, AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolutionary force shaping the future of agriculture. We've seen how AI is transforming agriculture, from smart farming techniques to AI-driven crop monitoring and precision agriculture. This revolution is not just about technological advancement, but about ensuring food security and sustainability for our planet. By leveraging AI, we're able to optimize farming practices, making them smarter and more precise. This leads to reduced waste, increased crop yield, and overall better resource management. AI-driven crop monitoring allows for real-time tracking and analysis of crop health, making it possible to address issues promptly and effectively. This not only improves crop quality, but also minimizes the risk of crop failure. Precision agriculture takes this a step further, enabling farmers to apply resources such as water and fertilizers in an ultra-specific manner, thereby reducing wastage and enhancing productivity. As we continue to explore and innovate, AI in agriculture promises a more efficient, sustainable, and food-secure future. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Brainiacata for more enlightening videos like this one.